How to download and install Webex on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can download Webex on Windows. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser in your device. After that, navigate to the search bar and there you have to type in Webex. Then navigate to the first link, that is www.webex.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now to download and install Webex in your device, navigate to this menu bar at the top and click on download option. Here now you can download Webex for Windows. So click on this option that says for Windows. Now the download process will begin, and once the download is complete, you have to open up the file. After you open it up, you have to wait for a while until the file gets installed in your device. Now once the installation is complete, you can set up Webex in a device. So click on agree, and here now you can create an account and click on sign in and then log in. So that's how you can download and install Webex in Windows, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.